What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel where we make the code more fun and a little bit ridiculous. If we are being honest, today we are diving into the search menu. Yes, the holy grail of user interfaces. But instead of making it all serious, we are gonna spice things up with some humor and a dash of creativity. So buckle up as we turn a simple search bar into an epic navigation experience, or at least try to make it epic. Let's make sure this search menu isn't just useful, but a bit ridiculous too. Ready? And now let's dive in. So guys, in today's HTML video, I'm telling you about the HTML table styling. So let's start without wasting any time and let's know about in the HTML what are table styling. So let's talk about it. Use CSS to make your tables look better. What you use to your table looks better? Use CSS to make your tables look better. HTML table means zebra stripes. If you add a background on every other table row, you will get a nice zebra strips effect. To style every other table row element, use the nth child event selector like this, like I am using it. So let me show you one example. Let me open my window. Let me create one file by the name of index.html, and I am making this file on my anywhere file. But let me tell you one more thing. First of all, you have one text editor. Okay, in the starting of the full stack web development, currently we are using the Sublime text editor, but now we are using the Visual Studio Code. And if you do not have downloaded it, so where you write your code? So let me tell you how to download it. To download it, first of all, you open your Google Chrome, and when you open your Google Chrome, search your Google, and then search here your text editor, Visual Studio Code, download. And when you search it, first of all, click on your channel, and then there are three links are coming: Mac, Linux, or Windows. So if you are currently using Mac, so Mac, or if you are currently using Linux, so download Linux, or if you are using the Windows, so download on Windows. Currently, I'm using the Windows, so I'm already downloaded in the Windows. Okay, if you do not have downloaded, so download it. And now, to create a file, first of all, click on the file, and then the shortcut key of creating the file is Control Alt Windows N. If you want to use the shortcut, you will use a shortcut. I'm not using the shortcut because I'm not a shortcut. Okay, I am a simple guy. Okay, so let me create a new file, and then this type of one browser has been opened. Here I'm writing my file name, and my file name is index.html, and then I'm making this file in my documents. Anywhere you make your file, your own choice. It is depend on you, on your PC. Okay, because this is your own. Okay, now I'm pasting this code here, and I've already do that how to create a table and all things. So I did not tell you another time how to create a table and all things. And this is our fourth or fifth video of the table series. So you only know how to create a table. So I did not tell you. Okay, so but here I create a one thing, a tr nth child event. In it, I give the background color D6EEE. Using this, the one zebra strips will become on my table. Let me show you. Save it. When I open my documents, when I open my index.html file, so it is looking like this. Here you can see it. Zebra strips. First name Peter, last name Griffin. Points like this. Here you can see it. So like that it is coming. So like that you can do it very easily. Yes. So or you will also be change the color also. Like the background color you will be also be changed like red. Or you will be add a hover to it also like nth. I'm giving you just one example. Okay, nth select child even hover to be black transition. Add a little bit transition 0.3 seconds, save and run. So you can see it is also be transitioning. But let me do the color should be white. Save and run. So you can see it how it is looking. Or when you go it, so you will be also add a font to it. Like font family, so Poppins. comma sans serif. Save and run. So you can see it, like the font has been also be changed. Now, note that if we use odd and instead of even, the styling will occur on row 1 to 135 etc. instead of 246 or etc. HTML table vertical zebra strips. To make vertical zebra strips, style every other column instead of every other row. Okay. Set the nth child event for the table data elements like this. Like I have do it like this. Okay. Let me show you. If you want to do it, should do like this. Th and th child event and comma th at child event. Now save it, run it. So now it is looking like this. Okay, it's like a table of the like a timetable of the school. Okay, so like here you can see it, or you can also change the color of it. So it is looking like this. Here we use the zebra strip tables and we use the nth child selector and we add some background to all the even or odd table rows. Here you can see it. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Now, put the nth child selector on both th and td elements if you want to have the styling on both headers and regular table cells. Combine vertical and horizontal zebra strips. You can combine the stylings from two examples above and you will have a strips on every other row and every other column. If you use a transparent color, you will get an overlapping effect. Okay, if you use the transparent color. Use an RGB color to specify the transparency of the color. This for example, it is showing you, here you can see it. Now, let me copy this example and then paste it. What here we can do, here we use the zebra strip tables and we use the nth child selector and add a background color to all the even or odd table rows. Here you can see it. And what we can do here, we also use an RGB color to specify the transparency of the color. Here you can see it. We use the RGB here. Horizontal dividers. First name Peter, last name, like this type of one table I have made it. If you have one specify borders only at the bottom of each table row, you will have a table with horizontal dividers. Add the border bottom property to all the tier elements to get a horizontal dividers. If you want a horizontal dividers, to add a one border bottom property to all the tier elements, okay, to get a horizontal dividers. This example, we are adding the border bottom to add a horizontal dividers. Here you can see it. Where we add a border bottom, here you can see it, border bottom, 1 pixel solid TTD. Save it and so here you can see it. It come like here we add a one border bottom property to the TR element for a horizontal dividers. Here you can see it. Anyways, let's minimize it, let's learn more about it. Hoverable table. Use the hover selector on TR to highlight the table rows on mouse over. How you can do it? You will do it very easily as you only want to do it. TR hover. And a background color should be hashtag red, color white. And font family should be Poppins. Sensor. Save it and then run it. So when you hover the TR elements, then it will look like this. Okay, here you can see it. It is very beautifully it is looking. Here you can see when we hovering it. So like that you can do it. Like that when your mouse when you use the hover selector on a TR element to highlight the table rows on mouse over like this. Okay, here you can see it. So in today's video, I told you about how to create a one very beautiful HTML table styling. So if you enjoy this class, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss any future related videos about the HTML. But anyways, I hope you understand all things you understand about the table styling. all the thing I told you about it, and we use the CSS to make our tables look better. And if in our tables there is no CSS, so our table look like very messy table, like no one give the girl to the table. Okay, so that's why when we add a CSS, so that it looking very beautiful. But when we are not adding CSS, we are only adding HTML, it is looking very messy and not very beautiful. But when we add a CSS, so it is looking very beautiful and so pretty. Okay. But anyways, in today's video, I told you about how to create HTML table styling, and this is our last video of the table series. Okay, from the next video, we start a new series, or I don't know. So, but anyways, now by the ending of this video, I give outro of this video, I give you in the biggest screen. So let me give you in the biggest screen of this video outro. And that's wrap for today videos. I hope you had fun and learned a thing or two about creating a search menu that's both functional and a little bit funny. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any hilarious or unique ideas for a search bar. Until next time, keep coding and keep it quirky.